DJ Stolen is going in right here, right now.
What do I do with a boy like you? Like you? What do I do with you? What do I do with a boy like you?